Did you know that the human brain is one of the most fascinating and complex organs in the universe? This 3-pound mass of interwoven cells is capable of composing symphonies, launching rockets, and pondering existence. Today, we're diving into 10 mind-blowing facts about the human brain that will leave you spellbound.
Let's start with the brain's energy output. This biological supercomputer runs on the same amount of power as a dim light bulb, about 23 watts. That's enough to make a small light bulb glow. Think about that for a second. Even when you're sleeping, your brain doesn't shut off, using about 10 watts of power to keep your body functioning and dream up fantastical scenarios. It makes you realize that the brain isn't just some passive organ. It's a powerhouse of electrical activity. So the next time you flick on a light switch, remember this. Your brain is a luminous organ, radiating energy even in the darkest of nights.
Now let's talk neurons. The human brain has an estimated 86 billion neurons. That's more than 10 times the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Each neuron can form connections with thousands of other neurons. These connections, called synapses, are where the real magic happens. It's at these junctions that electrical and chemical signals are transmitted, allowing your brain to process information, form memories, and control your body's functions. Imagine the complexity of a single neuron with its intricate structure and ability to communicate with thousands of its neighbors. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving system that makes us who we are.
So, we've got this vast network of neurons, all connected by synapses. These connections form the intricate web that is our brain's communication system. Information in the brain can travel at speeds up to an astounding 268 miles per hour. This rapid transmission is crucial for our survival and daily functioning. That's faster than the top speed of a Formula One race car. Imagine the precision and speed required to control such a vehicle, and then realize your brain does this effortlessly every second. This incredible speed allows you to react to your surroundings in real time and process information quickly. Whether you're catching a ball, driving a car, or simply walking down the street, your brain is constantly at work. Think about what happens when you touch a hot stove. The sensation of heat is immediately detected by your sensory neurons. Your brain receives the signal almost instantaneously, processes it as a threat, recognizing the potential danger to your body, and sends a message back to your muscles to move your hand away, all in a fraction of a second. This rapid response is a testament to the efficiency of our nervous system. So the next time you're amazed by your brain's ability to process information quickly, take a moment to appreciate the complexity and speed of this internal network. Remember the information superhighway that is your nervous system. It's a marvel of biological engineering, constantly working to keep you safe and functioning at your best. From solving complex problems to performing simple tasks, your brain's network is always active, ensuring you can navigate the world with ease and efficiency. This dynamic system of neurons and synapses is what makes human cognition so powerful and unique. It's a continuous, high-speed exchange of information that defines our very existence.
Chapter 4. The Night Owl Brain. You might think that your brain gets a break when you sleep, but you'd be wrong. In fact, your brain is more active at night than it is during the day. During sleep, your brain cycles through different stages, each with its own unique brainwave patterns. One of these stages, called REM sleep, is when your brain is most active. It's during this stage that you have vivid dreams, and your brain is busy processing emotions, consolidating memories, and making sense of the day's events. Think of it like your brain's overnight cleaning crew. It's a reminder that sleep is not just about resting your body, it's also crucial for maintaining a healthy and active mind.
Chapter 5. The Brain That Feels No Pain. Have you ever wondered how surgeons can perform brain surgery while the patient is awake? It's possible because the brain itself cannot feel pain. The brain, the command center of your body, processes pain signals from every other part of your body, but cannot feel pain itself. This is due to the lack of nociceptors in the brain tissue. This allows surgeons to operate on the brain while the patient is awake, using their responses to monitor brain activity and avoid damaging critical areas. It's a testament to the brain's remarkable ability to compartmentalize and the incredible resilience of this vital organ.
Chapter 6. A Growing Learning Machine. From the moment we're born, our brains are on an incredible journey of growth and development. In fact, the human brain triples in size during the first year of life. During this critical period, the brain is forming connections at an astounding rate, laying the foundation for language, motor skills, social behavior, and all the other amazing things that make us human. Think about how much a baby learns in its first year of life. They go from being completely dependent on their caregivers to walking, talking, and interacting with the world around them. It's a lifelong process of learning, adapting, and evolving.
Chapter 7. A hungry organ. While it only makes up about 2% of your body weight, it consumes a whopping 20% of your body's total oxygen and energy. This 3-pound organ is a real energy hog, constantly demanding a fresh supply of oxygen and nutrients to fuel its relentless activity. The brain never really rests. Even when you're sleeping, it's busy consolidating memories, dreaming, and regulating your body's functions. So the next time you reach for a healthy snack, remember that you're not just feeding your body, you're also fueling your mind.
Chapter 8. The Shifting Sands of Memory. Our memories are what make us who we are. They shape our identity, influence our decisions, and connect us to our past. But did you know that memories aren't stored in the brain like files on a computer? Unlike a computer, which stores data in a fixed, unchanging manner, our brains handle memories in a much more dynamic way. Instead, they're stored in different parts of the brain, depending on the type of memory, and they can change over time. For instance, procedural memories, like how to ride a bike, are stored differently from episodic memories, like your first day of school. When you form a new memory, it's not simply recorded in one location. The brain breaks it down into various components. Different aspects of the memory, such as the sights, sounds, smells, and emotions associated with the experience, are processed and stored in different regions of the brain. For example, the visual cortex handles the sights, while the auditory cortex processes the sounds. These fragments of memory are then linked together by neural pathways, forming a complex web of associations that can be reactivated when you recall the memory. This intricate network allows us to remember a single event in vivid detail. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving process, influenced by your current mood, beliefs, and experiences. For instance, recalling a happy memory when you're feeling down can alter the way you remember it, making it seem less joyful. Similarly, new experiences can reshape old memories, adding new layers of meaning or altering existing ones. This fluid nature of memory means that our recollections are not always accurate. They can be influenced by various factors, including the passage of time, our emotions, and even the way we retell our stories. Each time we recall a memory, we might be subtly changing it, adding new details or omitting others. Understanding the shifting sands of memory helps us appreciate the complexity of our minds. It reminds us that our memories are not just static snapshots of the past, but living, breathing parts of who we are, constantly evolving and reshaping our sense of self.
Chapter 9. The brain's amazing plasticity. For a long time, scientists believed that the brain was a static organ, its structure fixed in adulthood. They thought that once we reached a certain age, our brain's architecture was set in stone, unable to change or adapt. But we now know that the brain is incredibly plastic, meaning it can change its structure and function throughout life in response to experience. This discovery has revolutionized our understanding of the brain and its capabilities. This remarkable ability of the brain to adapt and change is called neuroplasticity, and it's what allows us to learn new skills, form new memories, and recover from brain injuries. Neuroplasticity is not just a scientific concept, it's a fundamental aspect of our daily lives. Every time you learn something new, you're literally changing the physical structure of your brain. Whether you're picking up a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or even just reading a book, your brain is hard at work, reshaping itself to accommodate new information. New connections are formed between neurons, existing connections are strengthened, and new neural pathways are forged. This dynamic process is what enables us to continuously adapt to new situations and challenges. It's a powerful reminder that we have the ability to learn, grow, and change throughout our lives, and that ability is rooted in the incredible plasticity of our brains. So the next time you challenge yourself with a new task or skill, remember that you're not just learning. You're actively reshaping your brain, making it more resilient and capable. Embrace the journey of lifelong learning and personal growth, knowing that your brain is your greatest ally in this adventure.
Chapter 10. The fattest organ. The human brain is the fattiest organ in the body, consisting of about 60% fat. The fat in your brain is essential for its function. It helps to insulate neurons, allowing electrical signals to travel faster. It also plays a crucial role in the formation of cell membranes, which are essential for communication between neurons. It's just another example of the incredible complexity and efficiency of this amazing organ.
And there you have it. 10 incredible facts about the human brain that showcase just how amazing and complex our minds truly are. There's still so much we don't know about this mysterious organ, and scientists are making new discoveries all the time. So keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious, because the more we learn about the brain, the more we learn about ourselves, our potential, and the infinite possibilities of the human mind.